So this is the Ulanzi stick with the remote. I really wish that it have a Panasonic remote. Normally you can use this one with the Canon, such a Canon M6 Mark II, or the any Sony A7C, Sony ZV-1, Sony ZV-E10, Sony A6600. It works with them. The good thing is that I personally do not like the thing about Ulanzi MT-16 or Ulanzi MT-46 or MT-47 is that if I try to put this is a 1 kilogram camera or around 2.2 pounds, so the camera will go, the this one cannot hold if you just try to go down like this. But about this is that I can really hold it quite well. As you can see, it's not going down easily. I really like it. I really like this one. I mean, it's holding quite nicely, isn't it? So yeah, it's holding quite nicely. Also I can hold the camera without absolutely any problem.